Hello everyone, hope you all doing fine. Welcome to Ayur Samveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. In the last video, we have seen the Lakshana and Chikitsa of few Vekas. Today we will be continuing the rest. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev, Assistant Professor, Department of Samhita and Siddhanta. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates. Let's move to the video. Today we will be starting with Nidra Rodha. Nidraya moha murtha akshigaurava alasya jrumpikaha angamardascha tatreshtaha swapnaha samvahanani cha. Nidraya moha murtha akshi gaurava alasya jrumpikaha angamarda cha tatra ishtaha swapnaha samvahanani cha. Nidraya moha murtha akshi gaurava alasya jrumpikaha angamardaha cha tatra ishtaha swapnaha samvahanani cha. If Nidra Veka is controlled, it can lead to moha, delusion, murtha akshi gaurava, that is feeling of heaviness of head and eyes, alasya, lassitude, jrumpika, yawning, and angamarda, squeezing pain all over the body. In such condition, the management has to be done is ishta swapna, that is good sleep, and samvahanani, mild massaging. Kasarodha. Kasasya rodha tadvrittihi shvasaruji hridamayaha shosho hitmacha karyo atra kasaha sutaram vidhihi. Kasasya rodhat tadvrittihi shvasa aruji hridamayaha shosho hitmacha karyaha atra kasaha sutaram vidhihi. Kasasya rodhat tadvrittihi shvasa aruji hridamayaha shosho hitma cha karyaha atra kasaha sutaram vidhihi. If kasa is controlled, it can lead to tadvrittihi, that is increase in coughing, shvasa, difficulty in breathing, aruchi, loss of appetite or taste, hridamayaha, heart diseases, shosha, emaciation, and hitma, hiccup. In such conditions, the treatment or management which we have to give is the measures which relieve the cough. Shramashvasa Varodha. Gulma hridroga sammohaha shramashvasad vidharidat hitam vishramanam tatra vadaknascha kriyakramaha. Gulma hridroga sammohaha shramashvasad vidharidat hitam vishramanam tatra vadaknaha cha kriyakramaha. Gulma hridroga sammohaha shramashvasad vidharidat hitam vishramanam tatra vadaknaha cha kriyakramaha. If Shramashvasa is controlled, it can lead to gulma, that is abnormal mass or growth, hridroga, heart diseases, and sammoha, delusion. In such conditions, the one person has to take vishramana, that is taking rest, and vadaknaha, kriyakramaha, all the therapies or management which reduces vata dosha. Jrumbharodha. Jrumbhayaha kshavavadrogaha sarvascha anilajit vidhihi. Jrumbhayaha kshavavad rogaha sarvaha cha anilajit vidhihi. Jrumbhayaha kshavavad rogaha sarvaha cha anilajit vidhihi. If Jrumbha is controlled, it leads to the diseases of the Kshavadu Vega Janya rogas, and all the therapies which mitigates vata dosha can be adopted here. Ashrurodha. Pinasa akshi shiro hridruk manyastamba aruji bhramaha sagulma bashpadastatra swapno madhyam priya kathaha. Pinasa akshi shira hridruk manyastamba aruji bhramaha sagulma bashpadaha tatra swapno madhyam priyaha kathaha. Pinasa akshi shiraha hridruk manyastamba arujihi bhramaha sagulma bashpadaha tatra swapno madhyam priyaha kathaha. If ashru or bashpa is controlled, it will lead to pinasa, the rhinitis or running nose, akshi shiro hridruk, that is pain in akshi, shiras and hridaya, manyastamba, stiffness of the neck, aruji, loss of appetite, bhrama, giddiness, and gulma, abnormal mass. And in such conditions, one has to do the management such as swapna, good sleep, madhya, drinking wine, and priyaha, kathaha, that is hearing of pleasant stories. Vamadurodha. Visarpa kotha kushta अक्षिकण्डु पाण्ड्वामयज्वराः सकाशश्वासहृल्लास व्यङ्गश्वयधवो वमेहे गण्डूषधूम अनाहारा रूक्षं भुक्त्वा तत् उद्वमः व्यायामः श्रुतिरस्रस्य शस्तं च अत्र विरेचनं सक्षारलवणं तैलमभ्यङ्गार्थे च शस्यते। विसर्प कोठ कुष्ठ अक्षिकण्डु पाण्ड्वामय ज्वराः सकाशश्वास हृल्लास व्यङ्ग श्वयधवः वमेहे गण्डूष धूम अनाहार रूक्षं भुक्त्वा तत् उद्वमः व्यायामः श्रुतिरस्रस्य शस्तं च अत्र विरेचनं सक्षार लवणं तैलम् अभ्यङ्गार्थे च शस्यते। विसर्प कोठ कुष्ठ अक्षिकण्डु पाण्ड्वामय ज्वराः सकाश श्वास हृल्लास व्यङ्ग श्वयधवः वमेहे गण्डूष धूम अनाहार रूक्षं भुक्त्वा तत् उद्वमः व्यायाम श्रुतिरस्रस्य शस्तं च अत्र विरेचनं सक्षार लवणं तैलम् अभ्यङ्गार्थे च शस्यते। If vamatu or chardi is controlled, it can lead to various skin disorders such as visarpa, herpes, kotha, skin rashes, kushta, various skin diseases, akshikandu, irritation or itching in the eyes, pandwamaya, that is anemic condition, jwara, fever, kasa, cough, shwasa, breathing difficulty, hrillasa, horripilation, vyenga, pigmentation over the face, and shvayathu, swelling. In such conditions, the management mentioned is gandosha, that is mouth gargling, dhuma, inhalations, anahara, fasting, ruksham bhutva, that is eating dry food, tad udvamaha, that is the food inducing vomiting, vyayama, exercises, shrutirasra, raktamokshana or bloodletting, virejana, purgation, and sakshara lavanam tailam abhyangartha. And for abhyanga, taila mixed with kshara and lavana has to be used. शुक्ररोधा शुक्रात्तत्स्रवणं गुह्यवेदना श्वयधुज्वराः हृद्व्यथा मूत्रसंग अंगभंग वृद्ध्यश्म षण्डताः। शुक्रात् तत्स्रवणं गुह्यवेदना श्वयधुज्वराः हृद्व्यथा मूत्रसंग अंगभंग वृद्धि अश्म षण्डताः। शुक्रात् तत्स्रवणं गुह्यवेदना श्वयधुज्वराः हृद्व्यथा मूत्रसंग अंगभंग वृद्धि अश्म षण्डताः। If shukra vega is controlled, it will lead to sravana, that is discharge of semen, guhya vedana shvayathu, pain and swelling of the guhya, jwara, fever, hridvyatha, discomfort in the chest region, mutrasanga, obstruction in micturition, angabhanga, cutting pain in the body, vruddhi, hernia, ashmari, urinary stones, and shandada, impotency. The management: ताम्रचूड सुराशाली बस्त्यभ्यंग अवगाहनम बस्ति शुद्धिकरैः सिद्धं भजेत् क्षीरं प्रियाः स्त्रियः। ताम्रचूड सुराशाली बस्ति अभ्यंग अवगाहनम बस्ति शुद्धिकरैः सिद्धं भजेत् क्षीरं प्रियाः स्त्रियः। ताम्रचूड सुराशाली बस्ति अभ्यंग अवगाहनम बस्ति शुद्धिकरैः सिद्धं भजेत् क्षीरं प्रियाः स्त्रियः। The management of Shukra Vegarotha includes the food intake of Tamrachuda, that is poultry, Sura, beer, and Shali, rice, and the other management therapies include Basti Karma, Abhyanga, and Avagaha, and along with that, Basti Shuddhikarehi Siddham Bhajet Kshiram, that is the milk processed with Basti Shuddhikara Dravyas, and Priyaha, Striyaha, that is sexual intercourse. त्रिशूलार्थं त्यजेत् क्षीणं विड्वमं वेगरोधिनम्। त्रिशूलार्थं त्यजेत् क्षीणं विड्वमं वेगरोधिनम्। त्रिशूलार्थं त्यजेत् क्षीणं विड्वमं वेगरोधिनम्. These are the people who has to be rejected, that is the person who is having excessive thirst or thrid, shulartha, pain in the abdomen, vegarodhina, who are habituated to suppression of the vegas, kshina, emaciation, and vidvamam, with fecal vomiting. The common or general causes for all the diseases: रोगाः सर्वे अपि जायन्ते वेगोदीरणधारणैः निर्दिष्टं साधनं तत्र भूयिष्ठं ये तु तान् प्रति ततश्च अनेकदा प्रायः पवनो यत् प्रकुप्यति अन्नपानौषधं तस्य युज्यिता अधो अनुलोमनम्. रोगाः सर्वे अपि जायन्ते वेगोदीरणधारणैः निर्दिष्टं साधनं तत्र भूयिष्ठं ये तु तान् प्रति ततः च अनेकधा प्रायः पवनो यत् प्रकुप्यति अन्नपान औषधं तस्य युज्यितात् अतो अनुलोमनम् रोगाः सर्वे अपि जायन्ते वेगोदीरणधारणैः निर्दिष्टं साधनं तत्र भूयिष्ठं ये तु तान् प्रति ततः च अनेकथा प्रायः पवनो यत् प्रकुप्यति अन्नपान औषधं तस्य युज्यितात् अतो अनुलोमनम्. All the diseases arises from two factors, that is Vegodhirana and Vegadharana. Vegodhirana means the initiation of the Vega by force and Vegadharana means the separation of the Vegas which has already originated by forcefully. And in both these conditions, Vata dosha will be getting aggravated and the Annapana or Aushadha to mitigate or reduce this Vata has to be adopted in such conditions. Today we have seen a few shlokas from the fourth chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana. We will be continuing the rest in the upcoming videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.